impact and future of AI and robots in home cleaning. In recent years, the intersection of technology and household chores has given rise to a remarkable transformation in the cleaning industry. Artificial intelligence, AI, and robots have emerged as game changers, revolutionizing the way we maintain our homes. This article explores the profound impact of AI and robots in home cleaning, drawing insights from leading professionals, personal accounts, reviews, interviews, and social media posts. We'll also delve into what the future holds for AI and robots in this field, considering the ongoing impact. Revolutionizing home cleaning. AI and robots are redefining the home cleaning landscape, providing efficiency, convenience, and a new level of cleanliness. Robotic vacuum cleaners and mops, equipped with sensors and advanced navigation, autonomously clean floors, leaving homeowners with more time for other activities. Leading professional, Emily Williams, founder of a tech-driven cleaning startup, highlights the impact. We've seen a significant shift in the way people perceive home cleaning. AI-powered robots have become indispensable tools in our daily lives, ensuring cleaner floors with minimal effort. Personal accounts of AI-powered cleaners. Personal accounts from individuals who have embraced AI-powered cleaning devices emphasize the convenience and effectiveness of these technologies. Samantha Thompson, a busy professional, shares her experience. "I used to dread spending my weekends cleaning the floors. Ever since I got a robotic vacuum, I have more free time, and my floors have never been cleaner." These personal accounts reflect the positive impact AI-powered cleaning devices have on homeowners' daily routines. Efficient and consistent cleaning. AI brings a new level of efficiency and consistency to home cleaning. These intelligent systems can learn about your home's layout, adapt to obstacles, and clean thoroughly without missing spots. This level of precision ensures a cleaner living environment. Customer reviews often highlight this efficiency. One satisfied user wrote, "My robotic mop never misses a spot. It's like having a diligent cleaning assistant that never gets tired." The future of AI and robots in home cleaning. The impact of AI and robots in home cleaning is poised to grow even further. As technology advances, we can expect smarter, more versatile cleaning devices that address a broader range of cleaning tasks. Leading professional, David Johnson, a researcher in robotics and AI applications, envisions the future saying, "We're moving towards multi-purpose robots that can not only clean but also handle tasks like picking up clutter, sorting laundry, and even helping with organization." The possibilities are exciting. This forward-thinking approach suggests that AI and robots will become increasingly integrated into our daily lives, transforming the way we maintain our homes. Addressing concerns and limitations. While AI and robots offer tremendous benefits, it's essential to address concerns and limitations. Some critics worry about the initial investment, the learning curve for integrating these devices into daily routines, and potential technical issues. However, as technology becomes more accessible and user-friendly, these concerns are gradually being addressed. Leading companies are investing in creating user-friendly interfaces and improving the reliability of their devices. The impact of AI and robots in home cleaning is undeniable. From robotic vacuum cleaners and mops to the exciting possibilities of future multi-purpose robots, these technologies are shaping the way we maintain our homes. The convenience, efficiency, and consistency they bring are transforming the cleaning industry, making it more accessible to busy individuals and families. As we look ahead, the future of AI and robots in home cleaning is full of potential, promising further innovation and integration into our daily lives. By embracing these technologies, homeowners can experience cleaner living spaces with minimal effort, freeing up time for what truly matters.